Hi guys, how are you? I'm so excited. I am in my new space. So I hope the lighting is good. I literally am creating the very first thing. I've been varnishing down here. I'm creating my space. So I probably will start this video. I kind of did a little wide angle tour. I wanted to at least get one pour down. I'm using like the last of my white in here, which is my Artist Loft Flow acrylic with Floetrol added to it. And this mix is 1-for-1. My next mix, which is going to go into a larger container, is going to be 1 part paint, and I'm going to put a little water in here, and 1 part paint and 2 parts Floetrol. And I'm going to do that with the colors too. I'm going to try, I was trying various different recipes and without using silicone, and all of a sudden, like, completely all of the cells were gone. So I broke down a couple paintings ago and put silicone in the colors, and I mean, I've loved what I have created, but again, now I have to wait 3 weeks to do it. So all the paint that's around here that I'm going to use today, some of them definitely have silicone in it, some of them don't. I'm just going to finish them all out, start fresh. So this is an Artist Loft gallery wrapped heavy duty canvas. It is a 10 by 20. So that's what we're going to work on today. I have to actually set my blow dryer up. I have not done that. I just realized that. It's the one thing that I didn't plug in. So, I never get the consistency right, that it really flows correctly. And I could pour more, so it does that, but I mean, I kind of feel like I always have a lot of paint on here. Like, you see, like when you slide it, it's filling in the canvas pretty well. So, do I really want to put a ton more paint on so I just can get it blown across? I think not. I think I'm good with what it's doing. And then I just take my little handy dandy spatula and blow it out. And I'm wearing gloves, everybody. Be glad. Keeping my hands protected. Let me get my torch. First time using the torch down here. That was really the only thing that made me a little nervous, because I don't have a window anymore. So anything crazy that I'm gonna really be concerned about, I'm gonna take upstairs and do that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is this is the painting that I did that I kind of like, but it's not really what I wanted. I kind of did warms and colds and tried to blow them together, and it didn't really come out that way, and I'm on the fence about finishing it or starting over. So I'm gonna do little pods, if it pours correctly. Hopefully it will pour correctly. And I would love to be able to use these thingies, which when I watch people use them, it seems very simple, but I really can't get it to work. I don't know if I'm not squeezing it right, or like, see, it doesn't really come out. Like, that was a big waste. I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm just going to take the sticks and I'm going to put the paint on because I really want little pods. Okay, so that's one. Actually, no, I'm going to do dark. I love when I have something in my head and I really hope it comes out. That is not, this is the glitter paint. I don't even know how that dries yet. Actually, I probably do know how it dries yet because I probably have one that's completely dry. Gotta see how it looks. Alright. Okay, last blue. Alright, let me do this. Love this green. Okay, last green. Alright, so I'm going to take the colors back that I didn't touch. Okay, so let's go to the warm side. So this is not really red, or this is copper. I think, yeah, I think it's copper. Actually, it seems rather thick. Put a smidge of water in that. Oh, that was way more than a smidge. Let's see what happens there. I might have just ruined this. Let's try that. I don't know. We'll see how that plays out. Let me do a red, red. Red, red. Okay. Yellow. Okay, this one I'm going to put a smidge water in. Please. There we go. I love this color. And again, remember, some of these don't have silicone in it. Some of them do. I have no idea at this point. I mean, I'm sure I could go back and figure it out. All right. The colors that I didn't use away. This I want to use because that's a red, red, red. All right, so now I'm gonna do white around these pods. Right. Actually, I always forget that my yellow and my orange are in these bottles because I just started switching over. Okay, so that's that. And this is orange. Put a little in here. Okay. All right. So now let's have some fun. You ready to blow this? Okay, so here's a lesson. This and how you have it on the blow dryer is very important. If you saw how I was blowing it in the beginning, nothing was really moving. That's because it was kind of like that. So it wasn't really blowing it. The moment I straightened it up and started doing that, it did exactly what I wanted it to do. Wow, I'm loving here. Here, I want to get a little bit more over here. All right. So I missed a little orange and yellow there, but I actually love what's happening here. I'll take some pictures so you can see, because I think me see if I can turn this light off and it helps. If I get out of the way. I don't know if that helps or not. This is crazy. Like the cells that are acting, this I love. I mean, I'm not happy with right there, but I could probably blow this over. Let's see. All right, that I love. Glad I did that. That actually fixed the problem. Love that. Love that. Kind of want these to just be a smidge bigger, so I'm going to use a straw. Like that, like that, like that. Like that. Love that. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna fix this right here. Love it, love it, love it. God. Okay, so this is color-wise what I envisioned, but not really what I envisioned. Remember, we started out here. This is very different, and I love it. I love it. It's crazy. I love it. Thank you. So let's show you this. Look how cool that is. That is crazy cool. And of course I can't flip this. So here's my space. This is like, you come down to the basement right there, and this is my space. I took everything that I had in that blue caddy, and it's all, move this out of the way because that's going to go away. Here, this is where I put my video camera to film. You guys on this camera are right here. I have lights. I have great lights down here. Love it. Love it. Here's all my paints. I really feel like I'm back in a great space. Go wide here. See, look at all of my additional drying rack. No, I'm only kidding. So this is my drying rack one. And this is, I took this space for like big pieces. I am going to probably take over this one. So these two will be drying racks. Like one will be paint drying, and the other one will be, you know, when I resin it, or which I haven't done yet. But thank you for watching. I'm never on camera, so you guys should be happy. Bye.